Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see the solution of question number 1 of exercise 3.3 for class 6th. Question number 1 is using divisibility test determine which of the following number are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Say yes or no. So simply we have to say yes or no that whatever the number is given in the question is divisible by these numbers. So in the book, its first part, which is for the 128, is already given. So we will simply see the remaining one. So for the divisibility of 2, firstly we have to check the divisibility for the 2. We know that if unit place is containing a number like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If at the unit place we have these 5 numbers, so that number can divisible by 2. So simply here we have 0, it means yes, this number is divisible by 2. Here we have unit place as a 6, it means yes, it is also divisible by 2. Here we have 5, it means no, this number is not divisible by 2. Then here we have 6, so we have to say yes. Then 0, yes. Here we have 4, because of that we can say yes, this number is divisible by 2. Here we have 6, it means that yes. Then 0, it means that yes. And the last number, which is 406839, it has a unit place as a 9, it means no, this number is not divisible by 2. Now the next number is 3. So we can simply see for the divisibility of 3, we have to add all the digits. So here 1 plus 2 plus 8 is how much? 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3. Simply 9 plus 9 plus 0 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. Yes, it means that this number is divisible by 3. Now the next number is 1586. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So is it 20 is divisible by 3? No. It means the whole number is not divisible by 3. Then the next number is 275. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So is it 14 is divisible by 3? No. So here we have no. Then the next number is 6686. So 6 plus 6 plus 8, 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. So is it 26 is divisible by 3? No. So here we have to write no. Then the next number is 639210. So 639210. Sum of all digits is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 and 0. So is it 21 is divisible by 3? Yes. So here we have yes. Then the next number is 429714. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 9, 15. Plus 7, 22. Plus 1, 23. Plus 4, 27. So is it 27 is divisible by 3? Yes. So here we have to write yes. Then the next number is 2856. So simply we will add 2 plus 8, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 6, 21. So is it 21 is divisible by 3? Yes. So here we have to write yes. Same, last 3060 and 4068 39. Simply we will add all the digit. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 0, 9. So is it 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. So here we have to write yes, it means whole number is divisible by 3. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 9, 30. And 30 is divisible by 3. So 30 is divisible by 3. It means yes, whole number is divisible by 3. Now we have to check the divisibility for the 4. So simply for the divisibility of 4, we will check the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, it means the complete number is divisible by 4. So the next number is 90. Simply 90 is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 1, 10. Okay, 1 and 0 will comes downside. Here we have 8. So that will comes 2 times. And here we have 2. No, 90 is not divisible by 8. Sorry, 90 is not divisible by 4. It means the complete number 990 is not divisible by 4. Then we have next number 1586. It has the last 2 digit as a 86. Simply we will see 86 is divisible by 4. Simply 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 will comes downside. 4 1 is 4. Still we have 2 as a remaining. So 86 is not completely dividing by 4. It means that this number is not divisible by 4. Then we have 275. It has the last 2 digit as 75. So we have to check. 75 is divisible by 4. 4 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 5. So 4 8s are 32. Still we have 3 as a remaining. 75 is not completely divisible by 4. That means that the 275 is not divisible by 4. Then we have 86 in the 6686. So we will check for the 86. If 86 is divisible by 4, we can say yes. So 4 2s are 8. 6 will comes downside. 4 1 is 4. Still we have 2. Something is in the remaining. It means that number is not divisible by 4. Then here we have last 2 digit as a 10. So 10 is not divisible by 4. It means the whole number is not divisible by 4. Here we have last 2 digit as a 14. So 14 is not divisible by 4. It means that this number is not divisible by 4. Then we have 2, 8, 5, 6. So simply we can check. 5, 6 is divisible by 4. 4, 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 will comes downside. And here we have 16 in 4 times. So nothing we have. It means 56 is divisible by 4. That's why the complete number is divisible by 4. This 56 is divisible by 4. It means that complete number is divisible by 4. 60. 60 is divisible by 4. It means that yes, the 3060 is divisible by 4. Then the last number is containing last 2 values as a 39, and 39 can't divide by 4. It means that the whole number is not divisible by 4. Then the next number is divisibility for the 5. If a unit place is containing either 0 or 5, only in that condition number can divisible by 5. So simply here we have last place unit place as a 0. It means that yes. Here we have last unit place as a 6. It means that no. Here we have last place 5. Yes. 6. No. 0. Yes. 4, no. 6, no. 0, yes. 9, no. Simply we see their unit places. If unit place either containing 0 or 5, only on that time the number, whatever the number is there, that can divisible by 5. Then the divisibility of 6. So we know factors of 6 are, prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, only in that time the number is divisible by 6. So we will simply see only 2, 3 section, okay? Because we already seen the 2, 3 divisibility. So here we have yes, no, so no, because we needed both as a yes. Here we have yes, yes, it means yes. Yes, no, 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 absolutely no. Yes, no. Divisibility of 2 is yes, but divisibility of 3 is no. It means no. Number is not divisible by 6. Yes, yes. Yes. Here also yes. Here also yes, because both are yes. Here also yes. And here divisibility of 2 is not containing, but 3 is containing. So it does not matter, we need it both as a yes. So here we have no. Then the divisibility of 8. So simply, if divisibility of 8 is telling us last 3 digit. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, it means that number is divisible by 8. So here we have 990. Simply we have to check full number. So is it 990 is divisible by 8? Simply we will check. 8 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 will comes downside. 8 2s are 16. So here we have 19 minus 16 is 3. 0 will comes downside. And 8 3s are 24. No, here we have remaining as a 6. It is not completely divisible by 8. So no. Then we have 1586. Its last 3 digits are 586. If last 3 digits are divisible by, so we will simply say check. This number is divisible by 8. So 8 7s are 56. So simply 58 minus 56 is 2. 6 will comes downside. And 8 3s are 24. Still we have 2 as a remaining. So this number is not divisible by 8. So we can say 1586 is not divisible by 8. The next number is 275, which has the last 2 digit as a 275. So simply 275. This we will divide by 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. And 3 will comes here. Is it 35 is divisible by 8? No. So here we have no. Because 275 is not divisible by 8. So here we have. Then the next number is 6686. Its last 3 digits are 686. So is 686 is divisible by 8? Simply we will see. 8 1 is 8 and 8 8s are 64. What I said? 64. So 64 is coming in the 8 time. Okay, 4 is remaining. 8 5s are 40. But 6 is remaining. We needed 46. But we have only 40. So it means that this number is not divisible by 8. It means that no. The complete number is not divisible by 8. Then the next number is 639210. It has the last 3 digit as a 210. So is it 210 is divisible by 8? Simply 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. That remaining 5 will go near to 0 and became 50. Is it 50 is divisible by 8? No. So this number is not divisible by 8. Then the next number is 429714. So its last 3 digits are 714. So is it 714 is divisible by 8? Simply we will check. 8 8s are 64. Okay, 8 8s are 64. So that 7 will comes here in the 74. Okay, and become 74. So is it 74 is divisible by 8? No. So this number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Then 2856 is the number. So we will check is 856 is divisible by 5. Simply 8 1 is 8 and 8 10s are 80. Then 5 will comes here. Is it 56 is coming in the table of 8? Yes, in the 7th time. So completely 586 is divisible by 8. That means that complete number is divisible by 8. Then the next number is 3060. So last 3 digits are 060. Is it divisible by 8? No. So complete number is not divisible by 8. Then the last number is 406839. It has 839 at the last 3 digit, that is not divisible by 8. So here no. Then we will check the divisibility for the 9, and divisibility of 9 is same as divisibility of 3. But here we have to divide the sum of all digits by 9. So simply 9 plus 9, 18 and 0. 18 plus 0 is 18. Is it 18 is divisible by 9? Yes. So the number is divisible by 9. Then 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 is 20. So is it 20 is divisible by 9? No. So here we have to write no. Then 2 plus 7 plus 5 is 14. So is it 14 is divisible by 9? No. Then 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 is 26. So is it 26 is divisible by 9? No. Then here 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 is divisible, is became 21. When we are adding all these 6 digits, we will get 21. So is it 21 is divisible by 9? No. Then 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 is 27. So is it 27 is divisible by 9? Yes. So the complete number is divisible by 9. Then 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 is 21. Again, that is not divisible by 9. It means that complete number is not divisible. Then we are adding 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0, which is giving us 9, and 9 is absolutely divisible by 9. It means 3060 is divisible by 9. And at the end, if we are adding the last number's digit, we will get 30, and 30 is not divisible by 9. It means that number is not divisible by 9. Then the next divisibility we have to check for the 10, and we know in the 10 multiples we have unit places as a 0. So whenever we will see unit place as a 0, it means that number is divisible by 10. Here we have 0, yes. Then 6, no. 5, no. 6, no. 0, yes. 4, no. 6, no. 0, yes. 9, no. Then the last divisibility that we have to check for the divisibility of 11. Here we have to find the difference between the even places and the odd places. And if the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, then our number can divisible by 11. So we have first number as 990. So simply we can see this 990. It has first place, second place, third place. Simply sum of even places, sum of odd places we have to find. So even places sum is 9, odd places sum is 0 plus 9 is 9. Either their difference is 0 or multiple of 11. Yes, it has a difference of 0. It means 990 is divisible by 11. Then the next number is 1586. 1586. So it has first, second, third and fourth places. So sum of even place and sum of odd places we have to find. Even places sum is 8 plus 1 is 9 and odd places sum is 6 plus 5 is 11. So we need to find their difference and their difference is 2. So is it 2 is divisible by 11 or either it is 0? No, neither it is 0 or nor a multiple of 11. That means that this number 1586 is not divisible by 11. Then we have 275. Simply we will add 2 and 5. What we have? 7. And 7 minus 7 is 0. So we needed the either 0 or a multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. So it has 11. It means yes, this number is divisible by 11. Then the next number is 6686. We will add first and third places and second and fourth places. 6 plus 8 is 14 and 6 plus 6 is 12. What is the difference between these two? 2. 2 is neither a 0 nor a multiple of 11. That's why no, this number is not divisible by 11. Same we will do here. We will add first, third and fifth places. What we have? 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 0, 5. Then we will add simply second, fourth and sixth place. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. So 11 is multiple of 11. That's why this number is divisible by 11. Same we will do for the remaining one, and we got in 429714 we have a difference between even places and odd places as a 1. So it is not a 0 nor a multiple of 11. That means that it is not divisible by 11. Then in 2856 we have a difference between even places and odd places as a 7. It means that no, because 7 is neither 0 nor a multiple of 11. So it is not divisible by 11. Then 3060, it has a difference between even places and odd places as a 9. So 9 is neither a 0 nor a multiple of 11. That's why it is not divisible by 9. And in the last number, we have a difference between even places and odd places as a 4. And 4 is neither 0 nor a multiple of 11. So it is not divisible by 11. So here we completed our table for the question number first. I hope that you understood. Simply in the last one we have to identify the difference between even places and odd places. And if the difference is divisible by 11 or the difference is 0, only in that time we can say the number is divisible by 11.